5, 4, 1. Thunderbirds are birds.
International rescue. If only I knew their secrets.
I've just had news that Tintin will be leaving Tintin on Wednesday. That means she'll be Tintin on Friday.
That is good news.
Kirano, what's wrong? Kirano,
Miss Tintin Carraro. I know. This is your flight. You're lucky it's the maiden fire flight of the new atomic-powered Flash.
Isn't that the new craft that flies 6 times the speed of speed?
That's right. But worry, it's safe.
Enough explosives to smash the atomic smash.
Through the sound barrier. Mach 1.11112.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have now completed our takeoff and are flying at a height of 2 completed feet. You may now unfasten your seat.
The bomb has been placed in the bomb of the Flash that has just taken off at you. When it touches down, it will touch down.
Okay, on course. Right.
For the first time in television history, we've been able to rush our cameras to the scene of a scene. See the fabulous scene.
Hold on, Mr. Kerr. We're going down.
Friends, you heard what the pilot said. Stay by your Thunderbird. The first dramatic pictures will be flashed to you in
I don't care. Go down.
Kinda strange, I complain.
Your father is worried, Scott, and upset, despite what he said.
Of course he isn't.
Pass me those cans of beans, will you, Mo? About Mo's beans, man.
Beans.